Here's your first alert forecast with meteorologist Robert Speta.
Hi there. I do want to start off talking about Michael, of course, here. This is a very powerful, dangerous storm system. This is a satellite loop, actually, over the past 48 hours. And big thing with this, it really intensified just prior to landfall, coming on shore there just east of Panama City. Now continue to scoot off towards the north, and already some of the outer rain bands impacting the Atlanta area. We actually had a tornado warning not too long ago there. Here's one thing I also want to notice. This is moving fairly fast inland. So we have hurricane warning extending well inland here. And I want to show you this, in fact. Over 200 miles inland, you still could be feeling hurricane strength winds. That's how far those hurricane warnings extend from the coast. So just imagine you were in a car, you decided to evacuate, you drove over 100 miles inland. You're still being impacted by this storm system. In fact, into Georgia, this is the first Category 3 hurricane to impact that state in over a century. That's after it moved over Florida. Meanwhile, even tornado watch is in place for the entire southern half of Georgia as well. So this is a wide-reaching, still dangerous storm system, and that is hours after landfall. Winds sustained right now of 100 miles per hour, pressure at 950 miles per hour. It is finally a Category 2 hurricane, so for the first time in several days, this is no longer a major hurricane. Now, let's talk about where this ranks as far as the strongest storms in recorded history, dating back to 1851, making landfall in the U.S. Michael is the third strongest. Not quite as strong as Camille back in 1969, but stronger than Katrina at landfall, stronger than Andrew at landfall. Puts into perspective how potent this storm system is. Now it's going to continue to move towards the northeast, bringing plenty of rainfall even across the Carolinas. By the time it gets there, it will no longer be a hurricane, but the ground's already saturated out there, so could result in pretty significant flood threat. One thing scooting along off here towards the east, though, is this cold front, which is going to pick it up, plow it towards the east.